but in the business it doesn't work. So some example, now Bill is upset, he find his another manager that borrow one of his staff and he need the staff now. So he go to the managers other departments and say, okay, how dare you steal one of my staff, that is affecting my department's profitability. Is it a positive intent or negative intent? Why negative? Yeah, so look at the words he used, correct? Yeah. The words is saying that he is entirely negative and emotional, right? How dare you steal one of my staff? To wreck. Wreck is an extreme sentence, extreme word. So choosing the vocabulary is very important in your communication. Even though your tone may be soft, if you choose words like wreck or dare, that is display a strong emotion, right? So you need to be careful what kind of vocabulary you use. That is why also sometimes in most of the time we say in communication, don't focus on the words, focus on the feelings behind it. Active listening. If you go by efficient listening, you will say wreck or dare. How dare you call me to dare? I'm your boss, right? If you say, you tell your boss, how dare you transfer me to another department? Can you say like that? No, right? So if the boss is not an active listener, he will not understand your feeling. He is just efficient listening. He say, how dare means what? How can you challenge me? Correct? But if he is an active listener, he will see your feelings that you are not happy by being transferred to another department. So he will not focus on dare, the word itself. He will focus on the feeling behind it. Correct? And that is what you need to practice. Try it at one time. Ask your staff to fight with you, and then see what word he use, right? And then you see, can you ignore the word that is being said by the staff? Instead of that, focus on the feeling that he may have displayed. Correct? So now the positive intent is this: I am concerned about the productivity in my department. So because they work in the same company, right? So common goal is that every department need to be productive, right? So first he is making his concern. I am concerned about the productivity in my department, and I know there may be some way that we can work on it together, right? So that it benefits both of us. Because working in the company, when you are working, one department is productive, another department is not productive, is not good for the company as a whole. So what he is trying to find is a common ground. Say, okay, my department is also important for productivity purpose. Let us see how we can both work together to achieve common objectives. Okay, so that is called a positive intent. So first thing what Bill need to do is remove his emotions, right? Not immediately when he know that I have a problem, not immediately go to the person and say, how dare you do that? Calm down first. So the step in positive intent are, first you calm down, relax, count 1 to 10 or 10 to 1. Then you calm down, have a glass of water, and then think, what is the situation about? What is the common ground that we want to achieve? Why the other person might have taken with a positive intent, with a positive feeling, that why would have somebody else taken your stuff, and then how it will affect you. And then now you combine the facts and figures, how it will affect your productivity, how it will affect their productivity, and what are the possible options you can have to work it out. Maybe 3 months, maybe every day 2 hours with his department. There are many different ways of working out, right? Compromising situations. So this is how you handle the conflict. So de-escalate the emotions. So first